Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can set up rollback setting in Tekken 8. So first we go to options, then we go to game option settings, and here we have our rollback setting almost at the bottom. And here we can prioritize fluidity or put it on standard or prioritize response, and it all depends on your internet connection. As you can see at the bottom, prioritize fluidity means it reduces frame skipping, or we can also set up prioritize response for better input responsiveness. And it's up to you guys and your internet connection. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.